Hi, welcome to Jain Info channel. Today we are going to discuss the intelligent test paper. Coming to the first question, if cattle is related to herd, then sheep is related to dash. Here, cattle is group of animals, nothing but also known as herd, and group of sheep is known as flock. So the answer is flock, option A. Coming to the second question, choose the alternative that has the same relationship to 9 as 07 has with 56. Here coming to the relationship between 7 and 56 is 7 8s are 56. That is 7 into 8 is 56. Whereas the relationship with 9 is 9 into 8. Nothing but 72. So the option is C, 72. Coming to the next question, choose the alternative that will continue with the number series below. The given series are 5, 11, 17, 23, and we have to find the next number. The relationship between these series is 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, and 17 plus 6 is 23. So we should add 6 to the next number. 23 plus 6 is nothing but 29. Answer is option B, 29. Coming to the next question, if you fold the transparent paper along the dotted line in figure X, which alternative figure from A, B, C and D would you get? Here the figure given is like this. Nothing but after folding the paper in middle, that nothing but here in this margin, in this dotted line, we are getting the image as option D. So the answer is option D. Next question. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. Given options are bake, peel, fry, roast. Whereas bake, fry, roast belongs to cooking. Whereas peel is odd one out. So the answer is option B, peel. Next question. Which of the following diagrams indicate the best relationship between India, Haryana and the world? Generally we consider as the country is in the world and the Haryana is in India. So according to that we can easily say the answer is option D. Here we consider the outer circle as world and the second circle as India and the innermost circle as Haryana. Next question. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. Given options are Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Orion. So the answer is option D, Orion. Next question. If statement is coded as TNEMETATS, then political will be coded as. Here we can observe that this statement is coded as like this. Then we can see that statement is reversed so that we can get this. See, once we can observe here. TNEMETATS. In the similar way, we can get the political. By reversing the political, we can get the answer as LACITILOP. So the answer is option A. Figure X is embedded in any one of the four alternative figures A, B, C or D. Find the alternative which contains figure X as its part. Here the embedded is nothing but, here the figure X should be in one of these four figures. Coming to the figure X, Here we can observe there is some triangle shape in this figure. So that we can observe here. There is a triangle present in option B. Clearly we can say that the answer is option D. Next question. If A means add, B means subtract, C means multiply and D means divide, then what would be the answer of the equation? Here the given equation is 15D 5 C2 A 3. So we have to replace this D with divide. Means we get the equation as 15 divide 5. C means multiply. A means add. So we get the equation as 15 divided by 5 into 2 plus 3. By using the BODMAS rule, we get the answer as 15 divided by 5, nothing but 3, and into 2, 6 plus 3, 9. So the answer is option D, 9. Next question. 5 men A, B, C, D and E read a newspaper. The one who reads the first give it to C. The one who reads last had taken from A. E was not the first or last to read. There were two readers between B and A. Who reads the newspaper last? Here we can say that there are 5 members who read the newspaper. According to the given information, we can say that one who reads first give it to C. So that person who reads first gives the newspaper to C. So C is the second person. The one who reads last had taken from A. So the A has given the newspaper to the last person. E was not the first or last to read. So E should not be here or last. So he should be placed in the middle. And the other was given. There were two readers between B and A. There are two possibilities where for B and A. So B is placed here. If we keep B in the last place, it doesn't satisfy this condition. So B is placed in the first, whereas D is placed in the last. Here the question is asked, who read the newspaper last? D is the last. Who reads the newspaper? So the answer is option B. Coming to the next question. Choose the alternative that has the same relationship to 16 as 12 has with 168. Here the relation between 12 and 168 is given as 12 into 14. 12 into 14 gives 168. In the similar way, to get the relation between 16 and the other number, we have to multiply the 16 with 14. So we get the answer as 224. Option C. Next question. If you fold the transparent paper along the dotted line, figure X, which alternative figure would you get? Here the figure X is given like this. By folding the paper at the margin, at this margin, we will be getting the figure as option D. So the answer is option D. Next question. If in a certain code def is written as 3587 and 5 is written as 7465, then idle will be written as. We can clearly observe that D is written as 3 and E is written as 5, A as 8 and F as 7. In the similar way, we will be getting here F as 7, I as 4, L as 6 and 5 as E. In the similar way, idle is coded as 43586. Here we can see that A is coded as 8 here. So that we will be checking the options. We are having only as 8 in the option B. So the answer is option B. Next question. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. Options are plastic, wool, paper, wood. We can see that here wool, paper and wood come from the tree, whereas plastic is odd one out of the 4 options. So the answer is option A, plastic. Next question. If we arrange the given words in the alphabetical order, which word would come at the last place? Choose the correct alternative. Here, options are given as robber, random, restrict and restaurant. Here, coming to the alphabetical order, we will be checking for the first letter of every word. Here, the first letter of every word is R. All are same. So, we are going to check the second letter. Second letter is O, A, E and E. So, here O comes the last, then A and E. So, robber is the last word according to the alphabetical order which comes last. So, the answer is option A, robber. Next question. Choose the alternative that will continue the number series given below. Given series are 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25. Difference between 13 and 11 is 2. Difference between 11 and 13 is 2. And 13 plus 4 is 17. In the similar way, 17 plus 2 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. So, we can observe here that plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 is repeating in the same way. See here, 23 plus 2 is 25. So, to get the next number, we will be adding plus 4. Nothing but 25 plus 4, nothing but 29. Option B. So, the answer is option B, 29. Next question. Choose the correct alternative that has the same relation to BMJ as HSY is to EPY. Here the relation between EPV and HSY is, see, we will be observing EFGH. So the difference between the E and H is 2. 2 letters difference between C, E, F, G. And the third letter is H. Similarly, P, Q, R, and the third letter is S. And V, V, W, X, and the third letter is Y. So the difference between each letter and letter is 2 letters. In the similar way, we will be applying the same relation to this B and J. B plus 2, nothing but 4. The fourth letter is D. We are having only the option with first letter D is option A. So the answer is EPM, as B plus 2 is EPM. Next question. Which of the following diagrams indicates the best relation between flower, lotus and rose? We can think here, lotus and rose are nothing but flowers. So, in the category of flowers, we will be having lotus and rose. Here coming to the first option, we can assume as outer circle as flower and the lotus as this one, this circle, and the rose as this one. So the answer is option A. Next one. Choose the alternative that has the same relationship to 11 as 49 has with 7. We can observe here the relationship between 7 and 49 is square. 7 square is nothing but 7 square nothing but 7 into 7 is 49. Same as we'll apply here. 11 into 11 nothing but 11 square. 11 square gives 121. So the answer is 121. Option D. Next question. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. Options are green, pink, indigo, violet. Answer is pink. As we can say that green, indigo, violet belongs to Vibgyor colors. Next question. If X is the brother of the son of Y's son, how is X related to Y? Here we can see that just observe only this sentence. Is the son of Y's son. Here we are talking about X brother. So is the son of Y's son. Nothing but X is related as grandson to the Y. Answer is option C, grandson. Next question. Area of rectangle is 48 meters square. If the length of 6 meter, then breadth equals to how much? Here we know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth, nothing but LB. Here area is given as 48 and length is given as 6, and we are asked about to find the breadth. So we will be getting the breadth by dividing 48 with 6, nothing but 8. 6 8s are 48. So the answer is 8 meters. Option D. Next question. The priest told the devotee the temple bell is rung at regular intervals of 45 minutes. The last bell was rung 5 minutes ago. The next bell is due to rung at 7:45 a.m. At what time did the priest give this information to the devotee? Here the information is given as the temple bell is rung at every 45 minutes and he rung at 7:45 a.m. Here every 45 minutes the bell will be rung. So actually the bell will ring at 7 o'clock. But here they have given that last bell was rung 5 minutes ago. So by adding 5 minutes to this, we will be getting 7:05 a.m. Option B. Answer is option B, 7:05 a.m. Next question. If in a certain code MBS is coded as ODU, then BRL will be coded as. Here we observe here that relation between M and O is MNO. So we can observe here that the difference between every two letters is there is a one letter in between them. See, observe here B, C and then D. Here also S, T and then U. So we are having a relationship with the difference of one letter between every two letters. So we will apply the same relation to BRL. we will be getting the option as answer as D, T, N. See, B, C and then D. Third letter is D. In the similar way, we will be getting for R and L. So the answer is option A, D, T, N. Guys, if you know the answers, you can comment below the video. And all the best for your exam, children. If you like the video, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you.